Hello everyone! Today, this is the part 2 of the video I made. Off cam I actually built the level, so I'm just gonna give you a short preview of it. It's so basically, yeah, I modified the level. Oh, so to put the start position there, you can't let go of this or you'll die. Where's my drum roll? Damn. But yeah, you definitely need to hold. And the coin route is forced upon you. There's actually two routes you can take. This one is this route, where I added extra gameplay. And it's also a coin route, so that it doesn't get boring when you click this route. Or tap. I don't know. After that, it's back to regular gameplay. I also removed the spike here, because it looked not professional enough. And I'm also going to add, excuse me, sorry. I'm building a 1.0 step monster. So, yep, it's just can't let the go. So yeah, the level is just basically can't let go. You start as the cube, and you end as a cube. There is no other game mode than the cube on this level. You see, you can clearly see the dash orb right there. Actually, I'm gonna align it a bit. Perfect. Okay, perfect. The next one is randomer. Jumper but random game modes. I'm just gonna show you the chaos. So, normal gameplay here. Normal gameplay. Reverse dash orb, spider orb. Still normal gameplay there. Very normal gameplay there. It's basically just random game modes, and this is the way, and you're using the wave. Then there's an upside down wave. You can go below. Oh, skip it. But let me just show you the chaos. That's what this has. So it starts with the wave, then upside down wave. After that, ship. Still normal upside down ship. The craziest part is the game modes later. So first start position there. Not taking the coin route. Why do I keep dying at that spot? Here. The chaos is when you reach the red part. Stop dying at these. God damn it! Finally. I added fake spikes to make it look like a monster because for me it generally it looks like a monster. You see, you put there and there. It looks like a monster. Spider is here with the spider orb. Back to the cube, and then UFO. Oh, also I look buff because of my UFO looking like it has arms. I'm sorry, I keep dying there, but yeah, you basically get the point. Jumper, but the game modes are random as are random. Then I'm gonna add these there to make it look monster-like. Also gonna make this guy very angry, like he's raging. He wants to eat you, but you escape using a spider portal, while also having 2 pink pads. This is still a new UFO section on what I do in the previous video with UFO out. But there's also a crazier game mode coming up. It's the robot. Oh yeah, my robot's a bomb. A literal fucking bomb. And finally the spider. You can't go in this normal path because there's, well, obviously spikes. And then it ends with this. Yep, this is the end to the series, which has crazy game modes. Oh, if you try to go to normal path, well, you die because it has that. Get trolled. So funny. Oops. Just gonna put that there. There again. Perfect. So, these are the levels. The randomer and cube let go. Off camera, I'm gonna verify them so you can play them. I also made a list. It's not published yet. But it has every level of the unique game modes that I have. So that's basically that. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more content like this. I can't think of any video ideas, so please tell me in the comments what should I do next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!